Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lerny. How you doing? It's another slay day. Today I'm giving you this full face makeup tutorial from brows to lips, everything. Okay, I'm giving it to you. Kindly remember to hit the subscribe and bell buttons for notifications anytime I post a video, and also leave a nice comment and like this video. I really enjoy creating this look. I am popping. Just look at me, nude eyes, red lips. Yes sis, now that the intro is out of the way, let's play. So I'm starting with this Revolution Baking Oil. It's a primer as well, so I didn't do my usual step of moisturizing, priming and illuminating because I feel like this primer does all three. It acts as a moisturizer, an illuminator and a primer. So after I was listening to music while recording, so yeah, I'm just giving you some few fake moves. And then I'm just going to push that into my skin. You see how I'm just, pushing it into my skin. I'm not swiping it off. Now I'm going to use Carmex for my lips, and I love how this product just, makes my lips feel. It's just, see, I think it has some healing properties. It's just amazing. I don't know how to explain it, but get you some and you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to go in with my brows. I'm using my Bethmain brow pencil and brow mascara. The brow pencil is in coffee and the brow mascara is in soft brown. So just going to quickly run through the brows, brush it. I have a detailed brow tutorial, so I'm going to leave it in the description or link it at the top. I cannot even talk. Link it at the top. So yeah, I'm now just outlining my brows. So my brow steps are actually very simple. I outline the bottom, outline the top, fill the tail ends, and then use the brow mascara. So here I'm just outlining the bottom, and then I'm going to go and outline the top. Yes, so after outlining the top, like I said, we are going to fill in the tail end. Yes, so that's what you see me doing now. I'm just filling in the tail ends, and then I'm going to go in with the brow mascara all through the brow. Now with this step, you decide whether you want to do it now or after you are done with like your full face. I like to just do it when I'm doing my brows. That's using the brow mascara. So I'm just going to still comb through my brow after using the brow mascara and see the difference those few steps make. You see, it does make a difference. So yeah, now after doing the brows, I'm going to jump right into my eyes. I'm using Ben Eye Clown White and this Bethmain palette. Now I love this palette. I love the browns and how warm they are. I'm going to use my Benai Clown White first and then just prime my lids properly. I love to use white bases for my eyes because I find that they make the eyeshadows pop a lot more. So after this, I'm just going in with my Bethmain Beauty eyeshadow. So I'm using the third brown shade. Yeah, that's the third brown shade at the bottom. I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. Now you can tell I'm not swiping on my lids. I pack the color first, and then I'm now lightly, ever so lightly, just blending so that I don't have any harsh ends. Now I'm going to use that fourth um shade at the bottom. That's the dark brown shade. I'm just going to put that in my outer corner. I'm going to also list all the products used in the description, so do well to check it out. So after applying that brown shade, I'm just going to cut my crease. Now this is a trick that I find that works so much. I'm just going to look up and then see the crease just cuts for you, so that in this way you don't go below too much below your crease so that your eyeshadows don't show, and you don't go too much above your crease. So now I'm going to use this nude shade still from the Withme Beauty palette, and you can see that I raise my lid to pack the color because I don't want to just miss the lines in on my lid, you know. Now I'm using the first transition shade we used to just blend in between that very light shade and that very dark shade, and we are done with the eyeshadow. Very easy, very simple. See? Oh no, I lied. I'm going in with this baby J is is an eyeshadow pigment. So yeah, it's just very nice. I like how it almost seeps into the the lid, and it marries with all of the other colors, whatever color you are using. It just makes it very nice. And I'm going in with my Withme Beauty. This is their kohl liner. I'm just going to use that on my waterline and use the elf pen liner for my lid. Now I am not doing a wing liner. I just want to get my liner thin and nice. So you see how I'm sort of like pushing my lashes down just so that I get the liner well. So on to face, I'm using my Juvia's Place foundation. Now you realize that I primed and everything initially because I find that it gives time, you know, for the primer to sit or to seep in and act as the shield that is supposed to act as before you go in with foundation. So after my foundation, I'm going to go in with this black opal. I think it's in ebony. Yeah, I'm just going to contour my the hollows of my cheek, my forehead, and my nose. My nose one, see, it was crooked, but I made it straight. I mean, we are going to blend it out. So I'm blending my contour with the foundation brush so that everything just, you know, blends in nicely. I find that this makes the contour, you know, it just blends it out properly and nicely. I'm using this Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm gonna go under my eyes, you know, just where we highlight, under the eye, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, bridge of my nose, you know, all that good stuff. That's where light naturally hits on our face. Now for my nose, I just did the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and then I did my forehead. We are going to blend all this out, and it's going to come together so beautifully. Okay. But anyway, oh, and you know I'm goofy, so I had to just put that in. So I'm just blending everything together with this Real Techniques brush that I love so much. I love it for my creams and powders. It just works for me. I like it. I love it. I love this brush. And I'm going to go in with my foundation brush just to properly blend the edges of that concealer so that, you know, we get rid of any harsh lines where there are any. Now I'm just going to use that brush I use for my concealer to reverse contour. See how it snatches my cheeks. I'm going in with this Abby's Invisible powder in NC6 to set my contour. So that's what you see me doing. Everywhere we used a darker shade, we're going to use this powder. How are you guys doing anyway? I mean, with all that's happening in the world, how are you doing? I hope you're staying safe. This too shall pass, okay? I'm going to use my Juvia's Place loose powder, and I'm just going to set under my eyes. I used quite a lot of powder, but I'm going to just keep working it into my skin, pushing it and pushing it and pushing it until everything goes in. Okay, I like to have my under eyes really set, so that's why I'm doing this step, and you see how it all goes in and looks good. Now I'm setting the rest of my face using this Revolution Makeup Revolution Glow Revolution setting spray, and I'm just going to spritz and bath in that. And I'm going in with my Black Secret mascara. This mascara is really good. No hype, no lie, is really good. See how, see where I'm using it at, see how it just gives me lashes. And now I'm using this lashes from Cute Lashes. Oh yes, girl. Yes, girl, you look good, girl. And then there's a new product I tried. It's Technique. It's their Get Gorgeous highlighter. And I must say that I love it. I came to glow. Okay, so let me glow. Let me glow. Okay, I'm a glow getter. So yes, let me just glow in peace. Thank you. So I use that on the highest point of my cheeks, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. And I'm going in with this So Aesthetics blush. I've really grown to like this blush. It has grown on me. I love how it just brings the look together. Now I'm using this NYX suede lip liner and my MAC lipstick, and I'm just going to line my lips first and then go in with the lipstick. Now, like I said, all the products used will be listed in the description box, so just feel free to check it out. Okay, thank you so much. And I'm just finishing up the look, and oh yes, girl. Give it to us, girl. You look good, girl. Yes, sis. I'm looking good. I'm looking good. I mean, I just always love the transformative power of makeup, the fact that you can just enhance the beauty that you already have. It's so amazing. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you all so much, and I appreciate you all. Kiss, kiss.